So this is the TCM transmission control module for the Honda iShift. This is the EEPROM, and I will read it to save the all information that I will have. And if someone if you cannot do calibration, or you know what the problem, need to reflash this EEPROM with learned file, and you will have some of trouble code. This is the main processor, this control, all this system. This is the flash, yeah, and this is the EEPROM. Now I will read it. This microchip is the 24C16 by ST. I'll choose. I have this clip. With this tool, very easy to read it. No need to desolder. I have only 2 hands. Please, someone, click the mouse. Ew. Nobody. Okay. And it contained some information. Oh, this is part number. It's look like for some calibration. Okay.